All right, kids. It's been a long day, and me and my brother have a lot to talk about.
Don't touch it. No, don't touch.
Wendy, I've got something amazing to tell you. Clear the next 14 hours.
Look at us. When did we become old men?
Don't say that. Okay, Stanley, here's the deal. You can stay here for the summer to watch the kids. I'll stay down in the basement and try to contain any remaining damage. But when the summer's over, you give me my house back. You give me my